Meaning of hauteur.
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 Hauteur. The term hauteur refers to an attitude or manner that is condescending, arrogant, or disdainful. It is often used to describe a person's behavior or demeanor that suggests a sense of superiority over others. This could be seen in someone's speech, body language, or overall demeanor. The word is derived from the French language and is commonly found in English literature and everyday language. Hauteur is typically associated with negative traits and can create a barrier to effective communication or positive relationships between individuals.